Christina. Today I'm going to do a review about this hair dryer. I just got this hair dryer and I've started to use it. It's a new hair dryer. It's not exactly new, I think it's been in the market, but I'm going to talk about this hair dryer, how nice it is to use. Okay, first of all, the color is black. You can see it has this call it what the plastic thing that direct the airflow, yeah, which is actually very good because you can swap the air left right like this. Is actually like you can direct the wind any direction you want. And there is, you can see the cold air button here. So every time after you switch it up, the heat, switch up on the machine, and you don't want the hot air, you can actually press this button to get the cold air, which is actually really good, because my old hair dryer don't have this function. Okay, so you have only 1 and 2 speed over here. But my old hair dryer has actually 1, 2, 3 speed. Yeah, my old hair dryer has 3 speed. This is my old hair dryer, but they don't have the Ionic function like the new one, and don't have the hot air. Yeah. Again, another thing I want to talk about the watt. 5 to 1008 watt, which is good enough for me to use. For my type of hair, like this, the hair. Like for my old hair dryer, this is only about 1006 watt. It's good enough actually. This is also quite good. Both of it, in terms of the air speed, is actually good. I like both, but I'm trying out the new one because easy, which it works. Switching from the old hair dryer to my new hair dryer, I would say this one with Ionic. This is my hair after drying with this new hair dryer. You can see it has less frizz on the hair. It don't stand up so much. If you can see clearly here, I can easily comb it very well. I don't use any gel yet, but just by having that hair dryer blower, you don't have the small hair that just stands up all around the small fine hair. It actually just lay down, unless you have very stubborn hard hair that can come up from the scalp here. Then you might need the gel to actually put it out. Last time when I use this hair dryer, after drying it, it stand up. The static thing, it does stands a little bit. So maybe I show you the demo on both hair dryer. Okay, one after washing my hair and drying with this, the effect, and another one after washing my hair and drying with this. Okay, so now my this hair effect is after I dry from this. Let's start. Okay, now my hair is already wet. I'm gonna dry it with the previous my really best friend that I've been using for a long time. Excuse me, I need to put a hair dryer plug here. Okay, so this is you can hear I always go up straight to 3rd speed because my hair is quite very wet and thick. So separate it out. You want a hair dryer also? Okay. So you can see from here. see this is the effect of my hair. One side dry using my non-ionic hair dryer by Philips. You can see the effect. Can you see the effect here? Yeah. It's after combing, if you can see here, I mean close up here, you can see a little bit fine frizzy. A little bit. Can you see? Yes, sir. You can see it over here a little bit. Yeah, but top here I didn't fully dry it yet, so you don't see it stands up. But if I actually dry it fully and then it completely. Dry my hair here, but only using the brush, you can still see it freeze a little bit. It's the effect. Very minimal difference, but the feel is not lightweight. Okay, for now, if I'm going to dry my this side, this hair with my new Ionic hair dryer. Let me put it up. Okay, so this is my new hair dryer. I only use a speed 2, but because it only has a speed 2, it's a top speed. And I need the higher speed to get to really dry because I have a thicker hair. So I dry same way. Now my hair that has been done with the Ionic hair dryer on this side. Can you see it looks silkier, smoother. It's not so frizzy. It flows better. It actually flows better. This part compared to here. You see the slight difference? Okay. Yeah. Okay. The slight difference. Yeah, I like to comb my hair inwards like this. See the slight difference. See the slight difference here on this part. And my hair is not long enough, but when I touch here versus this part here, I can feel it's much smoother. It's like silkier, smoother. And over here, it has a little bit surface, round. Even though I can comb it easily through my hair because I have straight hair, both sides I can comb it easy, but the feel of the hair, both sides is very different. This is silkier, and this one you have a little bit, like, it's not exactly rough, but it's just not smooth. It's not that rough, it's just not smooth. Yeah. After I comb it properly down, it don't feel as nice as here. Just feel like no friction over here. It's like minimal friction compared to here. It's like if you drop something here, it just flow down versus here it's like slower. Here will be like faster. So conclusion is, yeah, with the new technology of Ionic, with the hair dryer, get the Ionic to have really nice, smooth, silkier hair for longer days. Yeah. Thank you. And one more thing I like about this specific brand. I'm not sure if the Ionic function is different between brands, but I mean I got this. Yeah, and then I like the slim plug head of this Vidal Sassoon. Yeah. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video and able to differentiate what type of hair dryer you're going to buy. Okay, hope this helps. Thank you. Bye.